Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel on your PC. We'll walk through the entire process, from choosing the right version to successfully installing and activating it. Whether you need Excel for personal use, school, or work, this guide will help you navigate the options and get started quickly. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to access this powerful spreadsheet tool. There are a few ways to get Excel. Most commonly, it's part of a Microsoft 365 subscription, which provides access to the full suite of Office applications for a recurring fee. Alternatively, you can make a one-time purchase of a perpetual license, like Office Home and Business, for installation on one computer. For basic needs, a free online version is also accessible through your web browser. Once you've chosen your preferred Excel option, the next step is downloading and installing. For subscriptions or one-time purchases, visit your Microsoft account page online. There, you'll find an Install Office button. Click it to download the setup file, which is typically a few hundred megabytes. After downloading, simply run the file and follow the prompts to install the entire Office suite, including Excel, onto your computer. After installation, open Excel from your computer's Start menu. You'll likely be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account to activate the software. This links your installation to your subscription or one-time purchase. Once activated, you can begin using Excel immediately. For quick access, consider pinning the Excel icon to your taskbar, allowing you to launch it with a single click.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.